What up, gang?
So we're on day 15, y'all.
Halfway mark.
Halfway mark, and today we're going for a little stroll. We're in Miami, so it's hot out here or whatever. But it's getting, the temperature is dropping because it's a little later. So I just go for a little stroll. But oh my gosh, we're on day 15.
And she's in her hometown.
That's super exciting. So yeah, how y'all feeling today, y'all, on the 15th day? You know?
Hey, this is a fruit tree.
Huh?
Is ain't that a fruit tree?
Fruit tree. But how you like Miami? Like, what type of vibes do you get here?
Sun's out, guns out.
What?
Sun's out, guns out.
I'm saying vibe. What is those?
That's the type of vibe I get. I get that vibe of, it's just, well, this, over here, I get chill vibes. But your daddy just took me to, oh, I need a pistol vibe.
Well, you think you need a gun for everything?
No, I'm just.
That's what God gave you hands for.
Sure. But I'm just saying, he took me to the hood.
Oh, yeah.
But also, too, when we went to South Beach, it's like, that's the lifestyle I'm trying to live.
South Beach, living the best life. We ain't going back and forth with y'all. Hey. But yeah, so it feels good to be home. A lot of you guys know I am from Miami, Dade County, Liberty City area.
Well, it's always hot. Always.
Right. So, like I said, we're on day 15. We are so proud of everybody who's doing this and continuing to push through. Well, how that happen?
I had no idea. Sorry, y'all. Car was going on.
But yeah. Ooh.
Ooh.
Dang.
Somebody smoking that ganja.
That was powerful. I mean, yikes. I almost got a contact. Show the front up. Show the front. So we're walking to that stop sign out there, y'all. Trying to get some little cardio.
I love Miami. Make me feel like I'm from here.
Because you vibe with it. Tropical. The only downfall about Miami and me being here is the good food.
Yeah, that is true. It's like,
I mean, Cuban food, Dominican food,
Haitian food,
Jamaican food. I mean, hood snacks.
All types of culture stuff.
Man.
So how can you survive?
You can survive.
I was gonna say, how can you survive on a diet when you got so much good food here to try?
Well, easy.
I mean, I know it's easy, but
Cause it ain't like we just not eating nothing.
I know that.
We're just doing stuff in moderation.
True.
So.
But when you come to Miami, you gotta try all types of food.
Yep. I wonder if it's gonna rain tonight.
Nope.
No?
Might get a little cardio in tomorrow, going fishing.
All right, we at the stop sign, y'all. Look behind us. We made it to the stop sign. Now we're gonna go turn that way. Like, just turn the camera. So now we're going back down
To the end of the
to
road.
the end. If I can turn back the hands of time. Whew.
Oh no, it's don't quit your day job.
You be hating on me, bro.
Hating.
Cause you know I can sing. That's the thing.
Since when?
You know I can.
Please let me know when you started singing.
Man, I'm sweating already. I got me some new shoes, y'all. You mad or no?
Who?
No, I'm just saying. Got something in your head. So we was at my dad's house, and my dad said, "Rashawn, you want to ride?" Rashawn,
I said, yeah.
I'm like, yeah.
You know, I want to see Miami's.
Daddy took him to the hood.
Took me to where he ran the whole block.
Right.
Well, not the whole block. He ran the whole street. And the street like a half a mile long.
Yo, my leggings are sticking to me. Dang.
Yo, this I ain't gonna lie, this weather is on another level though.
Somebody coming. For real.
I've also learned by being here in Florida. Florida got some long lights.
They do.
And
Oh my goodness.
folks here in Florida can't drive.
Dang, she's smoking a mean one. God.
Oh, that's her smelling gassy.
Yeah.
But like I always say, keep going, keep striving, keep pushing.
Oh, y'all stay tuned for the vlogs.
You're right. Yeah, I gotta go to PR game for those.
Yeah. The vlogs, y'all. No, it's gonna be on both channels, cause you.
Whatever.
Yeah. Cause I got some vlogs too. So make sure y'all stay tuned for the Miami vlogs and the traveling vlogs and stuff that we've been doing. But again, day 15, how many days we got left?
15.
15 more days,
This is
y'all.
the halfway mark.
The halfway mark, and we did it. We freaking did it.
Y'all push through 15 days of doing this. Let's see if we can get through 15 more days.
Yep,
I know y'all can do it.
we can do it. And if you miss a day, just keep going. Pick up the next day.
Right, or like she said, just add if you miss a day, just add an extra day to the 30 days.
Cause I ain't gonna lie, since we've been out of town, I have not been wanting to do any type of exercises.
But we know we gotta. Well, I gotta push her to go because this is her challenge that she created, and she gotta stick to it.
Shoot, I'll be sitting there like I really don't. I mean, I know I have to do it, but I'll sit there like I really don't want to do it.
It do
So
look
I'm
like it's about to rain though.
Let me go ahead and put my shoes on, cause I already know. Gotta do it anyway. Sometimes you don't feel like doing something, but you just gotta do it. That's just how it is.
Well, guys, we made it back. Hope you guys like this little walk.
Yeah, we ain't talked much today, but well, maybe we did. Heck, I don't know.
We got a little cardio in.
Let me see, y'all. I'm sweating. Look, I'm sweating, y'all. Whew. But y'all did so good. We on day 15. Hey, can't nobody tell us nothing. They can't tell us, cause we did it. I don't care what you did, even if you got off the couch to go to the next room. We proud of y'all, right?
Right.
Gang.
Gang.